Hey, it's Rich, your NY loan guy. Today's Wednesday. We got some inflationary number via CPI, the Consumer Price Index, but it looks like bonds are starting to turn around. The last few days, we saw a huge increase in the 10-year, but with the 10-year auction that we saw yesterday, that being very well received, looks like bonds are starting to come back. We are going to see a 30-year bond auction today at 1 o'clock, so hopefully that will be well received as well, and we can keep these yields from rising and keep rates in check. But CPI, that number came out for December, the month of December. It was up 0.4%. Year over year, it's up from 1.2 to 1.4%, which 60% of that number is due to gas prices. We saw rents, they're rising, average of about 2.3% across the country now. That takes a lot of different markets in account. I mean, suburbs, you're going to see a lot larger increases, but there are some major cities out there that are seeing sharp decreases. So that number is probably going to get reflected, revised. But the NBA came out for their mortgage applications for last week. Mortgage apps for refis were up 20% from last week, and they were up 8% for purchases. Now, 20%, I think that number has to do with, the rise in rates and people trying to jump in and take advantage. It's not all about rate. Take a look at your own situation, look at a debt consolidation profile, and just see if maybe there's some other debts that you can take advantage in getting rid of at a much lower rate. Do you want to get rich quick? I'll tell you. Pick up your phone, text, or call me. It's the fastest way of getting a hold of me. Sometimes you just got to be willing to get your hands dirty. The magic and the shortcut is simple. It's doing the work. Your dream home is going to begin with a great location. Whether you're looking at Wainscott, Watermill, East Hampton, Southampton, or even Shelter Island, if you're going to have the commitment to the amount of money that it's going to take to build that home, you have to have the commitment of time and energy by everybody involved. So if you want to know how to build your dream home, I'll tell you. Grab your phone, text or call me. It's simple. I'll tell you. Text or call me. Grab your phone. It's the fastest way of getting a hold of me. Do you want to get rich quick? I'll tell you. Pick up your phone. This is Rich, your NY loan guy, and I approve this message.